How to get $170 Amazon promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you'll find the search box. Type in Amazon promo code and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. All these websites will provide you working promo codes for Amazon. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open this one, Groupon. After you open it, you're going to find great deals and offers. You can just scroll and check. Up to 80% off, spring sale, $10 off, and many more. If you're interested in any of the coupon code and want to use it, all you have to do is click on it. So here's the coupon code. You can copy it. Now you can head towards the website of Amazon, make your purchase, and while you check out, apply this code and get the discount. If you want to redeem this code right away, click on Shop Now. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Amazon. Now you can log into your account, make your purchase. While you check out, you will find the section of promo code. Over there, paste the code and you'll get certain amount as a discount. Likewise, don't forget to try out other offers. Also, make sure you go through these websites as this website will also provide you working promo codes for Amazon. Well, this is how you can get up to $170 Amazon promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.